Welcome to Survival Defense Lab. In today's quick clip, we're going to be firing a Mosin Nagant M1895 revolver. It's a fun little gun. Well, I mean, we're going to find out. I've heard a lot of good things about it, but just picked it up yesterday, so we're going to see how it fires here. Take a quick look at the target. Meh.